Welcome. In this video I'll show how to make keyboard bigger on Android. So at the start you will need to pull up the keyboard. Now open the keyboard toolbar by tapping on this additional icon you'll see, and among the toolbar options select resize. Now you can resize your keyboard, make it larger or smaller, but for the purpose of this video you were looking to make it larger, so let's make it as big as the phone allows us to. And once the size change or the size adjustments are made, press the done button to save the changes. And that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below, but as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.